All right, I'm at my food truck and I'm gonna do a quick video and show you how to light your deep fryer. It's really simple to do, so I'm gonna get straight to the video. So we're gonna go to my food truck and I'm gonna show you how to light your deep fryer. So we are dealing with propane. So first thing you wanna do is just turn your propane all the way on. And in the welding field, we say turn it all the way on until it's back seated. That means until it's stopped. It's back seated. And then I got my safety here at the bottom. I'm gonna make sure I turn it on. So you wanna make sure that's straight up and down. Now what I'm gonna do, go in my food truck. And what you want to do, I'm here in my food truck. I'm going to get my lighter here. And we're going to do this one, first one right here. And make sure you do have oil in there before you turn this on. So do not light this. Do not light this without any oil or if you got water or something in it. And it is dirty, my truck. I got somebody coming in a couple of days to clean it out. Once you got the propane and everything on, what you want to do is come over here and right here, it's on off. What you want to do, it's a little mark right here that says pallet. You want to push in and turn it to pallet. And then what you want to do is just pre-purge it. You want to push it in, hold it in for about 5 seconds. And what it's going to do is purging the gas. So now we fit to get ready to light it. When I push it in, the gas is going to start coming out, and you want to take your lighter and hold it right there. You see how it caught on really good because I pre-purged it. And sometimes it won't do that. If it goes out, just make sure you still got this pressed in right here. And if it go out, you just take your lighter and light it again. And hold that in for about 15 or 20 seconds. And what it's doing is heating up that sensor. Once it gets hot enough and it reads enough amperage, it's gonna stay on. So if I let it go, you see it stayed on. And once you finish right there, you wanna turn it all the way to the on position. So now it's in the on position. Once it's in the on position, it's ready. So now, say for instance, we want to fry some chicken. You just go right down here and you turn it slowly, turn it to about 350 degrees. And it's marked, so your line is up here. So my 350 is right there. So once it hits 350, this will automatically shut off. So it stays, that's what I like about it. Once it gets to the certain temperature, it turns off. So you know you're not gonna be frying your chicken at 400. It's gonna stay at 350. And if it gets down to 340, it'll kick back on. So it regulates your heat. So that's the good thing about deep fryers, especially these. You don't have to worry about nothing. And if you frying anything, if you at an event all day, there's no need to turn this on and off. Just leave it set at 350 all day. The grease is going to regulate itself. So it's not going to just sit there and burn your grease. It's just going to keep that grease at that temperature. So when you get ready to throw some chicken or fish or whatever you're cooking, you don't have to be turning this on and off. You just put it in and you're ready. I had to learn that the hard way on my first event. After I finished frying things, I turn this to off. I turn that off. So when I got ready to somebody order something, I have to turn this back on and it takes 5 or 10 minutes for it to heat up. That's wasting time. So like I said, just leave it at 350, whatever you're frying it at, and just forget about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. To turn it off, just turn this all the way to the off position. You see that off position? This is still on and it'll stay on until you get ready to turn it off. So then you come right here, you turn it, it hits pallet, it don't want to go no further, you push in, and then you turn it to off. And that's it. So that's how you light your 40-pound deep fryer. You're on your food truck or whatever event. Some people may just have one at their house that they bought off from somebody.